my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to know when to harvest your summer squash. Here's a clip from the show. All right, we are here in the Goldfinch, and this thing is put on this week. It's very happy. It really likes the warmer night temperatures. So we're going to go ahead and get a harvest off of this. We're going to be checking the back sides of the leaves for any bugs. And if I get the chance, I'm going to go ahead and put some clips on it. I just don't know if it's ready for that yet. I think our climate is just barely warm enough for summer squash. And we just don't get the growth on it like other climates do. Okay, we got a lot of squash today. I want to show you what I got. If you look at this guy here, it's a light yellow. It's very tender. I can put my fingernail through it. And that's the stage that we want to pick at. This guy I missed. You can see how dark yellow it is, and it's hard. I can't put my fingernail in that hardly at all. So this one's over mature. So that one will feed to the chickens. And then this little guy here, this one you can see it's got the dark yellow color to it, and it didn't pollinate. And I do want to get these off of the plant because I don't want energy to go into making seeds. So these two need to come off the plant, and we'll feed those to the chickens, and then we're going to eat all these beautiful light yellow ones that are very tender. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 8, Week 23. And if you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.